monkeys.
Now, Axel, the monkey might take the torch, so hold it tight, okay? Promise? Okay. So we are at Bat Cave, or boat said we have about 15 minutes to do a lap. But of course we have to be aware of the monkeys. This way, Axel, please. We have to do a lap. That's okay.
It's your first time here.
So let's go. Also, I think we are the only ones here.
We're the only ones everywhere we go. It's brilliant. It's like nobody goes on holidays here. It's like a secret.
It's so quiet. Yeah. Look at this view. I wish I could describe the smell here. It's like...
It's bad shit.
It's like an oxtail soup.
Oh, yeah.
Bovril. That's what I'm thinking of. Smells of bovril. Where's the bats? There they are.
Are they flying?
No, they're sleeping. Now we have to be very quiet. That's amazing, Axel, isn't it? Can you show me again?
Look at all those ones.
Wow. So many of them. We can hear the monkeys, but we can't see them. And to be honest, I'm a little bit afraid.
I see some footprints.
What do you see?
Look at footprints.
Footprints for monkeys. Yeah, very good.
I think
Well spotted,
Look
Axel.
at that hat he's wearing. He's like Mick Dundee.
It's a great hat, isn't it?
he went this way.
It's a little explorative hat.
Are you like Crocodile Dundee?
Look, exit.
Exit. This what way?
Maybe we have to go that way.
Let's go.
Check it out.
Keep going, because we only have 15 minutes. Let's go. I've heard they like fly in your hair and stuff, so you need to be very careful. What? Axel, do a good job at the torch. What's wrong?
It's just a fly.
It's okay. It's
I'd be
okay.
more worried about them bats,
okay.
Axel, no fairness.
It's okay. Your mommy and daddy are with you. Nothing's gonna happen.
Yeah, shine up there.
Shine it up.
Okay, let's go under before they poo on us.
Let's go. Come on. He's a little bit scared.
He's alright.
Maybe if you hold your dad's hand.
Come here.
What's that way?
Let's go. It's just so we can see bats. Look at these stalactites.
I can't because he has the torch, so I need to stay with Axel.
I think Mama's more afraid than Axel.
I am a little bit nervous, yes.
Any bats?
No.
I thought that there was a bat.
They're called stalactites. They're holding on tight.
Oh, I hear some over here. Point the torch up here.
Can you find them, Axel?
Where are they? They're there.
Look at those ones.
They're there.
They're all sleeping there.
You hold the torch there. Hold the torch so I can see.
There's lots of them there.
One is opening.
One is opening its wings.
Oh, there's lots there. Move the torch down.
Hello, bats.
Do you think we disturb them by shining the light at them?
Their hearing's that sensitive. They hear everything. They heard the boat coming.
This is amazing, isn't it, Axel? Never seen anything like this before, did you?
Wow.
That was really cool. cool to see, wasn't it?
Stop.
You're disturbing the bats, Dada. We made it. The bats didn't get us.
That was so cool, man.
I think we're gonna another bat cave.
We're gonna find another one.
Yeah.
We might.
There couldn't be more than that, surely.
Not responsible for injury or death. Literally. Axel, come back. We're not ready to go back. The monkeys could get you. Not responsible for injury or death. What sort of monkeys are around here? Bloody killer monkeys? We got killer monkeys, Axel.
What?
This has been a journey. I'm a little bit petrified. I'm not gonna lie. It is a bit weary and creepy, but also cool. What do you think, Axel?
Thumbs up.
Will we all do thumbs up? Yeah,
I think
it's
we're
definitely
gonna
fun.
back in the bat cave.
Oh, let's do it.
High tide, please. Oh my god, I thought we were done.
Now it gets real. Let's go, Axel.
Oh, look how low this is. It's okay, go with your daddy. He's gonna help
Mind
you.
your head and watch your step.
Just duck really low, okay? You're very lucky because you're a little bit short.
Okay, let's go.
Go!
I think there's gonna be bats in here.
I don't think so.
Duck, 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 duck. Oh, hurt my back.
We're nearly out. And the boat will be waiting. No bats in here.
Oh,
Just cave.
Just cave.
oh. I think there's no bat. We can go up there.
No, it says no
There's
entry.
No entry. Big snake up there, see?
Oh my goodness.
Why did it say up there?
He's just, that's where he lives. Right, go on, up the ramp, run. You know you love your ramp. That was so much fun.
Yeah.
Really so much fun. Look at this, there's our boat. Axel, thumbs up, thumbs down. Yay! Quick, run, we're gonna miss it. We made it! Come on, let's go.
I don't want to go in there.
We're not going in there. Let's go.
He wanted to go in again.
Little boys exploring with their torch. He loves it. Thank you.
You saw the bats?
Yes, there's so many bats.
Did you see Batman? Did you see bats?
Hey!